Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Fajar Dewangga Alamsah, NPM 244120223 from Prodi Aguntansi. Here I will explain about understanding the principles of economic. This presentation will dive into the core principles of economic, exploring fundamental concept and application in our world. Fundamental concept of economic. Number one, scarcity and choice. Economic is about making choice in the face of limited resource. And number two, opportunity cost. The value of the best alternative for good when making a choice. Next slide. Scarcity and the factor of production. Number one, land. Natural resource used in the production, including raw material and land itself. Number two, labor. Human effort and skill used in production, include works and manager. Number three, capital. Man-made resource used in the production, like like machinery, tool, and building. Number four, entrepreneurship. The ability to combine resources to create new product or service. Next slide. Supply and demand. Basic supply. Number one, supply. The relationship between the price of a good or service and the quantity that producer are willing and able to sell. Demand. The relationship between the price of good of or service and the quantity that consumer are willing and able to buy. Number three, equilibrium. The point at which supply and demand are equal, determining of the market price and quantity. Next slide. Microeconomic individual market. Number one, competition. Competition among firms drive innovation and efficiency, lowering price for consumer. Number two, pricing. Firm must determine the optimal price point to maximize their profit. Number three, consumer choice. Consumer make choice based on their preference and budget constraint. Next slide, macroeconomic, the bigger picture. Number one, economic growth. Increase in production and income over time, measured by GDP growth. Number two, inflation. The rate at which price of for good and service rise over time, often due to excessive money supply. Number three, unemployment. The percentage of the labor force that is unemployed but active seeking work. Next slide. Economic policy and intervention. Number one, fiscal policy. Government spending and taxation policy aimed at influencing the economy. Number two, monetary policy. Central bank action to control the money supply and interest rate. Number three, trade policy. Regulation on import and export, influencing international trade pattern. Next slide. Applying economic principles in the real world. Understanding economic principles can help you make better financial decisions, analyze business trend, and edge informed discussion about public policy. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.